Made it to the finals of this particular division. All vying for 3 spots. Judges ready. Solos ready. Audience. 27 to 35. This should be 18 to 21. You guys look hot.
Yeah, you were.
Nice job.
Give it up for them.
Nice job, ladies.
Wow.
This is the new 18 to 21 group right here, I'm telling you. Girls up hello. She didn't hear you. Judges are satisfied. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it.
All right. Last group, the Vahine, 27 to 35. Coming to stage now.
To 35.
Hello.
9 contestants vying for 3 spots.
Go, ladies!
And more overall. It's all good, girl. No pressure. All right.
No, Shanna!
Judges are good. Solos, get ready. Bring your A game. Odi! Beautiful job. You know, we have to give it up to our judges because this is pretty exhausting for them. They have to judge all these kids in different categories. So one more time, give some love to the judges, everybody. And another round, big, huge round of applause for the drummers. She loves you too. We all love you. Again, there is Sefa is selling his CDs up front. They are $15 for those. Get it while it's hot. There's a whole box full. He's going to do a meet and greet after this and pictures. Judges are satisfied. Thank you so much, guys. Way to go, way to go. Yeah.
Okay, bringing the stage. Contestant number 338, just for the costume.
So this is all for the costume, correct?
Yes.
No dancing, no nothing, right? No brushing of the hair or nothing like that, right? So we're gonna find out what group she's from and her age and all that kind of stuff. Okay. Name?
Serrana.
Oh, wait, sorry. Name?
Serrana Solia.
Age?
13 years old.
Group?
Taupo Samoa.
Okay. Hey. If I'm backing up, stay up there. Thank you. How about a nice applause for Serrana Solia, everybody? Costume only. You want to give him a turn? Give him a turn, honey.
Bam! Bam! Bam!
Okay, go back to 13. Go back to 13. That's enough. We're good? All right. Thank you, Sonny. Bye.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, bringing the stage in our Tane division, 27 to 35. Give it up for him. These gentlemen are single and ready to mingle. Accepting applications. They like long walks on the beach, movies, and they don't like to eat, you can tell. Little chicken nugget. Little stinkers.
Judges are ready. Solos are ready. Oh. happy. Bro, you was like you was beating yourself up, bro. But it was absolutely beautiful. Nice job. I could never ever do that, so I'm just saying. Beautiful job.
Way to go, Tane.